morning, everyone. Today we are going to start the first lesson of our economics subject. The first lesson is about introduction, economics and introduction. In this lesson, we are going to learn meaning of economics, economics in Indian thought, development of economics as a science in the West, economic activity and non-economic activities, and many other things about in economics. I hope that you all will go through the chapter thoroughly, and whatever we are going to teach in this video you will refer many times, and later on you will complete your exercise. So let's begin our first lesson, economics and introduction. First of all, I would like to ask you, what do you mean by economics? You know, children, directly or indirectly, we all are engaged with the activities of economics. You might have experienced many types of ups and downs during this period. I think 2020 is going to be one remarkable year in all of us lives. Yes or not? So I thought that you might have also experienced what type of changes has made in your life, right? So let's begin. Meaning of economics. In Indian thoughts, economics means Arth Shastra, which is derived. Derived means taken from the Sanskrit word earth. Earth means purpose. Purpose means if any activity we are doing by thinking that something we will get by doing that activity, that is said to be earth or purpose. The another meaning of purpose is to seek benefit. By doing any activity, you seek profit, benefit, or any type of return, that is said to be earth. So, in Sanskrit, Arthashastra means science of earth. The English word economics is derived from Greek word oikonomos. Economics in Indian thought. In Indian thought, the four purposes of human beings are dharma. Dharma means the religion which we follow. Earth. Just now I told you some activities which we are doing with the purpose to get benefit. Karma. Karma means the work you are doing for making profit or only to serve the nation. Then after moksha. Moksha means deliberation. Means if you want to get rid of this life cycle, that is known as moksha. The activities of life done for earth are the subject matter of economics. Kautilya, in his book Arthashastra, discuss economics as economic activity undertaken by a state or society for creating earth. So I would like to explain you that the great composer, writer Kautilya has written one of the significant book of his life, that is known as Arthashastra. In Arthashastra, he has compared the economics with certain kind of activity which we are doing by using our skill and to get benefit or to earn something from the society or from other human beings. In Indian thought, intention of economic activities do not remain only for creating earth. I would like to share with you that whatever work we are doing, that we are not doing only to earn money. Somewhere there is a feeling that we want to serve our society. Whatever God has given a skill or any talent, that must be used to serve the society so that other people also can benefit from that. But are done considering human welfare. As I told you, whatever work we are doing, we are first focusing on the welfare of our society. So, Kautilya called economics as ethics. Ethics means moral values. Ethics means moral values. Next, I would like to teach what are the developments of economics as a science in the West. You can also consider it as a question also, and this points also can be asked as a short notes. So if it is for 4 to 5 marks, then question will be like that. what are the development of economics as a science in the West? So let's begin with the first development, that is first Aristotle. I repeat, Aristotle. He gave his views on economics in his book Oeconomica. I repeat, Oeconomica. With the advent of industrial revolution, due to specialization, many changes occurred in the study of human behavior, and economics developed as an independent science. I would like to explain this point like that. We all are engaged with the economic activity by one or another reason, right? But we are not having the same skill. We all have different skill and talent. By using that, we are doing certain kind of activities to earn our livelihood. So it all depend on specialization, right? Industrial growth you say, or any kind of other development in the country you consider, that all are depend on the skill and talent of people of that particular country. Second is Adam Smith. Adam Smith in 1776, he studied economics independently and in scientific manner. According to him, economics is the study of the nature and causes of wealth of nation. I repeat his thought once again. Economics is a study of nature and causes of wealth of nations. Now, whatever resources are available in our country, if we utilize them in such a manner that it gains certain things for our country, then this particular activity also considered as a economic activity. Then after, Alfred Marshall. I am completely agree with Alfred Marshall views. In his book Principle of Economics, published in 1890, Alfred Marshall defines that economics is the study of mankind in an ordinary business of life. I repeat his thought. Economics is the study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. According to him, economics keeps human well-being at the center of human activity and explain how well-being is attained from material consumption. So, what he is about to say, beta? He is saying that you are free to do any type of activity. The skill or whatever facilities are with you, you can utilize them to earn for yourself and for your family and later on for your nation. But it all depends on the well-being. Well-being, I would like to say that whatever work you are doing, in whichever field you are developing yourself, there the most intention should be there, that is the well-being of people. That must be at the center point, and later on material consumption. Then after, Lionel Robbins, the fourth one from the West scientist, that is Lionel Robbins. In 1931, Lionel Robbins, in his book Nature and Significance of Economics, defines that economic is the science which studied human behavior as a relationship between ends and scars. Scars means difficulties, means which have alternative uses. Resources study satisfying human wants are limited and have alternative uses. Right? This, I think you all are agree with the sentence. Resources satisfying humans wants are limited and have alternative uses. As I have already explained you the difference between wants and needs, right? Wishes. Our wants are unlimited, right? If you will satisfy all, then I think that you have to sacrifice a lot in your life. So we want everything in our life, but somewhere we are not ready to work for that. So whatever activities you are choosing, whatever skill you have, and later on you are going to apply to earn for your livelihood, I hope that you will also keep human welfare in the center. Hence, economics deal with the problem of allocation of scarce resources to satisfy the human wants to the maximum possible extent. I would like to explain this point here, that whatever resources we are using to satisfy our wants, that all are limited, right? And somewhere we all know that they are going to be extinct very soon if we do not believe in planned way of use them. Otherwise, one day or another, everything is going to be finished, and later on we are not able to use them anymore. According to him, economics does not deal with norms. Norms means condition, and thus it is not a normative science but is a positive science. Normative means something you pursued with conditions, but instead of that, it is a one type of positive science. Paul Samuelson in his book Foundation of Economics Analysis. Analysis means study something, go through it thoroughly, that is known as analysis. Published in 1947, defines economics is the study of how people and society end up choosing, with or without the use of money, to employ scarce productive resources that could have alternative uses to produce various commodities over time and distributing them for consumption. Consumption means use by the people now or in the future among various persons in the society. It analyzes cost and benefit of improving pattern of resource allocation. So, not going too more deep in this paragraph, but instead of that, I would like to give you a real example. What the Paul Samuelson is trying to explain you, I would like to tell you in short. You all know that beta, our income is limited, and right now whatever the situation is there in our country or all around the world, considering that situation, we must know that how we can utilize our money in such a way that it can be more productive in the sense that how we can use it in to satisfy our more and more different kind of needs. So that is only one type of lesson of economic which you have learned during this lockdown period. I hope that you have enjoyed this lecture. I request all of you to go through these points once again, and wherever you find difficulty, please send us message. Definitely we will solve it and try to improve. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.